Hi guys, hope everyone is doing good out there. Recently I purchased Google Home Max, so thought of creating a video on that apart from my regular technical videos. So let's start. So let's see how this can be used as an assistant and a TV speaker. So similar like other Google Home products, the Max contains an array of lights that shows when you say Hey Google or Okay Google. The purchase price in Australian currency is $200. So I purchased it from JB Hi-Fi, which is an Australian electronics brand. So Max is massive at 5.3 kgs and coming in at the size of a big speaker. You can tell that the Home Max is clearly the biggest, the most powerful speaker in the family. Max is for a particular crowd of music lovers. Yes, if you are a music lover, then Max is for you. So after configuring Chromecast if it's not default in your smart TV and Max through Google Home app over the same Wi-Fi connection, get ready to cast it on a home group, smart TV or Max speaker. Remember, all these configurations has to be done on the same Wi-Fi. Then only it will work perfectly. To connect, just press the cast icon on the pop-ups in the app if you are using. So most of the major streaming services like Netflix, YouTube Music, YouTube, Spotify, so all have the built-in functionality for casting it on your smart TV or speaker. So it's pretty easy. You have to select the cast icon and then all the options will pop down. So you have to select the option on where you have to cast your music. Like if you have to select the speaker or the TV only, so you can select it from the drop down. So guys, remember Google Home Max is originally built as an assistant, but you can use it as a smart TV speaker as well. So just use an aux cable, which is easily available in many electronic shops or other general purpose shops. So a 3.5 mm male to male cable is required to connect TV audio output to connect with your Max audio input, and it works perfectly. So if you're using more frequently with TV audio, make a home group. That is very useful for syncing the audio of the TV and the speaker. So make the home group through Google Home app and select both TV and speaker inside the group to sync both. Also, if aux is connected, then Max is very smart enough to detect that and plays audio coming as input from the smart TV. So every time the aux cable is connected, Max default connection or default audio will come through that, right? So remember, if you want to change the audio to be casted only on your speaker, go to the Google Home app and select Max speaker and select cast audio, right? Otherwise default it will play on the home group if you have created one. So this is an important point to consider. So if you have TV, speaker and a home group, so by default it will play on the home group if you have created one. So remember, if you only want to use the speaker, then you have to go to the speaker option in the home app and then select the cast audio from there. And then you can open Spotify or YouTube Music from your mobile app, and then it will directly play the audio from your app, right? Just say Hey Google, good morning, and listen the wonderful message in the morning with greetings, outside temperature and latest news. So I use this feature daily in the morning. So yeah, enjoy your new assistant. Hope this information is useful. Thanks and see ya.